Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And for this, I know it's been a minute, so I was pretty happy to come to you with a nice, quick, easy project. I got these sneakers from Walmart. They were 14 bucks, plain canvas sneakers. And I decided, you can put patches on them or you can paint them. And I decided I was going to paint them. Blood splatter red. So I used fabric tulip paint and just got some 99-cent paint brushes and a bowl just to kind of dilute the paint a bit, and some painter's tape because I didn't want to bloody up the soles too, because these sneakers are pretty cheap. They're not expensive sneakers, so the soles will just look kind of pink after a while, so I didn't want to do that. So first thing I did, took the laces out, and then put the painter's tape around the rubber soles, and then I mixed the paint with some water, made sure that it was diluted enough, but still thick enough to go on, and I used just a regular bright paint. And from there, you just go for it like this. Okay, so that dried a little bit, and so what I did is I added a darker layer. So I combined a little bit of black and brown into the red to make it just a tad more realistic, because again, I didn't want pink sneakers. I wanted it to look like blood splatter, and it's starting to look really good. So again, I didn't want it to get on the soles of my shoes because I knew that it would dry pink. Because shoes are pretty cheap. But so far this is what I got, and I love it. It's pretty cool. So I let them dry for after about 6 hours. I let them dry, set them out, and then I took the paint off, or not the paint, I'm sorry you guys. I took the painter's tape off, and this is what I got. I'm not gonna take the paint off of the metal part because I like that it did that. So yeah, but this is what I got afterwards. I'm pretty pleased with these. Yep. So pretty pleased with them, and then what I'm going to do is just put my laces back in. I don't know if I'm gonna get different laces later or possibly even bloody up the laces, but I put the laces back in and just take a look, see how you guys like it. Let me know how you guys like this. Okay, so there you have it. Pretty easy, okay, if you want to do this. But thank you so much for joining me again. I appreciate it. I hope you all have a very happy, safe Halloween, and enjoy.